Mediation is it's a logical progression. It's quite a skill to be able to hold space for conflict and for people to have their say, and to provide them with a really safe and neutral environment to do that.
Mediation is a structured negotiation process guided by trained mediators where people come together to find solutions and move forward. Everyone is impacted by conflict during their lifetime, whether it's a disagreement over property lines, barking dogs, shared driveways, or an issue with a co-worker. Disputes can happen, but they don't have to escalate. They can be resolved quickly, fairly, and with less stress. We help you gain these essential skills with our nationally recognised mediation training courses open to everyone with no prerequisites required.
My name's Craig. I have a bit of an unusual background coming into the course because I'm actually an IT operations manager. I've just decided that I'd like to go back and sort of make a career shift into something that I was always loved but never got an opportunity to do.
So I am from Toowoomba, or particularly from a little place just outside called Greenmount. So I drive in every day and work at a community legal centre there, helping people, with giving them legal advice.
I applied, I guess I was really inspired by one of my professors at university. I'd studied dispute resolution there, and yeah, really enjoyed the subject and also thinking outside the box, and I really like working with people.
During the training, you'll meet people from diverse industries: law, social work, human resources, and more, all coming together to learn how to make a difference.
So I just want to get back to working more directly with people, and yeah, that's what I enjoy about the training. What I enjoy about the work is just that direct connection with people.
I really want to use these skills to help people, especially disadvantaged people, get the opportunity to mediate.
Our expert trainers have over 35 years experience and provide hands-on learning through interactive workshops, role-play scenarios, and real-world examples.
In day 2 of the training, it's been, I think, how to work with people, how to adapt, especially in very high pressure situations where there's a lot at stake. And I think also, being very evaluative of yourself and all your different movements and how you can best adapt to the situation.
So I think what the dispute resolution branch does really well in their training is putting really complex ideas in approachable ways.
By the end of your training, you'll feel confident to tackle conflict situations and achieve positive outcomes.
It's like I really enjoy practical and ethical problem solving. It's early days, but I definitely think it's been great to meet everyone as well and get familiar in the space.
My advice for somebody who's looking at a career change, go for it. You won't get many opportunities. For me, this is a moment in my life where I can, so I'm going to do it.
Take the leap and start your mediation journey today. Visit www.qld.gov.au/learn mediation to learn more and register for our upcoming mediation training courses.